Do you know many people are having trouble with setting their watch to 12-hour time? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access time display. Start by pressing the Mode button several times until you reach the time display screen. Step 2. Toggle format. With the time displayed, press the 12/24 or adjust button to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. Step 3. Confirm format. Monitor the screen to confirm the watch now shows time in 12-hour format. Step 4. Exit settings. Allow the watch to exit the setting mode automatically or press Mode again to return. Script_step_5_leader. Script_step_5. After following these steps, your watch should display time in the 12-hour format. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Casio users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.